Hi everybody, this is James, this is Split, this is our HackIllinois 2026 submission. So basically in 2026, AI agents kind of have it hard. They have to do a lot of different things. They have to manage context, memory, they have to be able to handle a million tools, and they have to get everything right, and then they have to report back to the end user. And so there's kind of a lot of little problems with this. They get overwhelmed. AI agents and LLMs tend to degrade a lot when context goes down. And so what we did to try to mitigate this on Modal's platform is we built Split, where we basically implement an AI orchestrator that kind of splits up the task into little chunks, divides them up, and then sends them to smaller, maybe specialized AI agents that are usually a lot more lightweight, and they usually only have to focus on one thing. And then what it'll do is it'll try to combine these answers and and then finally return some kind of result. So as you can see here, I have an active run that's kind of been completing. So my prompt is research the latest developments in quantum computing and summarize key findings. And so as you can see, our orchestrator agent has kind of split the task up into these little pieces. So here we're looking for academic publications, and here we're looking for news articles. And we've noticed how we just finished the news articles. And so we're kind of going to work our way through this graph in order to acquire all the information we need, and then finally use like a high reasoning model to summarize it. And so here we can see, as we scroll down, here's kind of our task report. We're kind of figuring out what our model's doing. We're making our way through the to-do list. Here's kind of the agent's reasoning. The agent's kind of putting things into memory as it's advancing through the tree. So notice we're looking through, some academic journals and this accelerator, another journal, and then we're looking through news. So that's pretty cool. And I guess here we can kind of look for some past runs. Maybe not this one. This one. Okay, not this one. Yeah. And so now we see that our summary has actually finished up while we were waiting. And here we see our final answer. So sometimes the model is a little weird, but as we can see, we finally, we made it to a pretty good end summary. Yeah, and so that's about it for now. Thank you.